Hi, it's Jenny Dame and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so excited to share with you my very first sewing project of 2024. I came across this picture of Rita Hayworth on Pinterest and felt like I really needed that outfit. I didn't find a matching pattern, but I did have one in my stock already, and it's this Advantage 4715. It is a 1940s pattern. Actually, one of my very first YouTube videos when I made in the start of the pandemic. I'll put it up in a card, and I used this pattern. The bodice and the sleeves, because it did fit me well, so I didn't have to do so much readjusting. The only difference is that it is a button up. Rita seems like it gathers in the front like a zipper, like this one. I feel like this would be a quick fix because instead of having that overlap with the buttons, I would just join them in the middle, and then I'm gonna have a detachable zipper. For the rest of that outfit, I feel like I could Frankenstein my way to figure it out. If you enjoy this content, please consider subscribing, and let's get started. Also, I forgot to mention, I'm going to make this outfit out of bed sheets. I feel like I can't be an official YouTuber without making an outfit out of bed sheets. So I got it on Amazon, and I'm going to show you what it looks like in the next clip. This is the bed sheet that we'll be using. When I filmed this, I was still a little sick, so I added some captions so you could know what I'm saying. I bought it on Amazon, and I took advantage of a Black Friday sale, and I just haven't opened it, so let's open it now. Oh, these are the pillowcases. Sorry. Really long. Okay, so there's 4 pillowcases. I honestly think that I could get away with making the suit just from the pillowcases. I think I'm gonna try to do that. You know when you're about to do something, then you feel this non-blinking stare? Beaver. Beaver, what you doing? I mean, I don't blame her. I always want a snack too. I cut up my bodice pattern, and I was using pins to try to match up the stripes. This is my first attempt using a stripe, and I wanted them to go the same direction, but my brain just could not figure that out, so the stripes did match in the middle. I added my darts, and I left a little room to overlap for the zipper. I self-drafted the front of the skirt. I wanted it to curve in the middle like it did hers, so it took a little trial and error, but once I got the fit right, I cut it out. I did end up giving up on making the stripes the same directions. This is the template that I created for the peplum with the added pocket. And then let me show you what I did. I took apart the other side, so these are my self-drafted fabric pieces for the black fabric. So this is like the lining, and then this would be the top, and then this is for the pocket seam allowance where I sew it and then flip it so everything is nice and seamless. So it's definitely looking like a suit. I'm going to have a small detachable zipper, so this is going to close a little more than what it is now. And for the skirt, I have it a wrap style, so I have like dart here and dart here, and then it's gonna just wrap here. I'm a little confused if I should attach a waistband, which I probably should, but you're not gonna see it, but okay, I will. But I'm gonna add this little snap here, and then from here I need to attach the peplum. It was unrelated, but I love using this little vintage sewing kit. Like, look at the quality, and it's still very sharp. Like, stuff was made to last back then. I'm vowing to keep it in my purse at all times whenever I'm out, in case you see me and you need something to sew. I got you covered. I pinned and sewed the peplum to the bodice, and I tried it on for the first time, and it fit so well. That was really surprising to me. And I did my last finishing touches, and now it's time for the reveal. This has to be one of my favorite makes. I love how this turned out. Who can tell these are bed sheets and pillowcases? This is my second time making a suit, and I think I'm addicted. I can't wait to make another one, and I'll see you guys in the next sewing project. Bye guys!